¿Cómo que un hombre puede hacer eso?
Ajá.
Muy audacia.
Pero gracias a Dios.
Gracias a Dios. Debe haber sangre el caballo, güey.
If you haven't noticed, high above the Indianapolis Motor Speedway, look up above the golf course and the infield. There's a serious air show going on. Red Bull.
¿Cómo lo deja caer
Herbie
ahí?
Chambliss up there putting on an incredible airplane show. Aerobatic pilot, the best in the world, five-time U.S. National Championship, former men's three-star world champion. He's up there putting on an amazing, amazing show.
Imagínate que le hiciera aquí el güey.
No, ese es cabrón.
I made good start. At the beginning of the race I have good rhythm, I have good feeling in the front, but after maybe 10 laps like this, front tire coming to slide, and I can't make a speed corner. Then I need brake late, entry, and after go. Then I have problems, but I try to ride like this, and at the end I can make podium. I'm happy because all the time push, and I enjoy the race.
That's great. Well done, Tito.
Okay, I want to say thank you all my team, thank you all my family, all sponsors, and thank you to Garcia and all the people of the Avion circuit because they give me the circuit for training. I can train in the circuit, and I want to say thank you all them.
You just done so well.
Ya se le quitó la volada.
And in second place in that Moto2 race. First time on the podium in Moto2, finally for Paul Espargaro. Paul, how does it feel to finally get on the podium in the intermediate class?
It was difficult to be here again. It's so nice for me and for my team. Firstly, I want to thank and congratulate my team because they do more the same more than me. The whole team must be here with me in podium. After, well, the race was difficult, so hot.
Míralo, güey, del ladito.
Of the race, we know that we are tired at the final of the race. Will be destroyed. Finally, it was like a thing, and it was so difficult to drive the motorbike at the final. But anyway, we do it. Finally, we try to take Tito and I pass them, and I try to.